Deserts are, well, remarkable places on our planet. They are vast lands defined by their dryness. Here, rain is a rare and precious event. The sun often beats down with incredible intensity. Temperatures can soar to scorching highs during the day. Yet even in these seemingly inhospitable conditions, life somehow finds a way. It is a testament to the adaptability of nature. These environments challenge every living thing. Survival demands extraordinary solutions to the problem of thirst and heat. The scarcity of water is the greatest challenge. Imagine living where rain might not fall for months or even years. This is the reality for desert inhabitants. The air itself is often dry, pulling moisture from any available source. Plants and animals must possess special traits. These traits allow them to find, use, and conserve every single drop of water. Without these adaptations, life would simply be impossible. The desert landscape, though harsh, is not empty. It is full of unique creatures and plants. The temperature swings in deserts are also extreme. After a blazing hot day, the nights can become surprisingly cold. This is because the clear, dry air does not hold heat well. Organisms living here must cope with these dramatic shifts. They need strategies to avoid overheating during the day. They also need ways to stay warm when the temperature plummets after sunset. This constant battle against the elements shapes every aspect of their existence. It influences their behavior, their bodies, and their life cycles. Despite these formidable challenges, deserts are not barren wastelands. They are vibrant ecosystems teeming with specialized life. Each creature, each plant holds a secret to survival. They have evolved over countless generations. They have become masters of endurance in a world of scarcity. Exploring these adaptations reveals incredible stories of resilience. It shows the power of natural selection. It highlights the diverse ways life can thrive. The desert truly is a land of survivors, a place of stark beauty and profound lessons. Many desert animals have adopted a life lived in shadow. They are active during the cool embrace of the night. This is known as nocturnal behavior. It is a clever strategy to avoid the sun's fiercest rays. When darkness falls, the desert air cools significantly. This reduces the risk of overheating for active animals. It also means they lose less precious body water through evaporation. The night offers a cloak of safety and comfort. It is a time when the desert truly comes alive with activity. Consider the fennec fox with its large ears. It emerges from its burrow as dusk settles. During the day, it would struggle in the intense heat, but at night it can hunt comfortably. Many rodents, snakes, and insects also follow this pattern. They rest during the hottest parts of the day. They become active when the temperatures are more forgiving. This simple shift in timing is a crucial survival tactic. It allows them to conserve energy and, most importantly, water. The darkness is their ally in the harsh desert. Burrowing is another common strategy often linked with nocturnal life. Many desert animals dig underground dens. These burrows provide a refuge from the extreme surface temperatures. Deep beneath the sand, the temperature remains much more stable. It is significantly cooler than the sun-baked surface during the day. It is also warmer than the frigid night air. These subterranean homes also offer higher humidity. This helps animals retain body moisture. The burrow is a sanctuary, a cool, damp haven, so as the sun sets over the desert, a hidden world awakens. Small mammals scurry from their cool dens. Reptiles emerge to hunt in the milder temperatures. Insects begin their nightly chorus. This shift to nocturnal activity is a brilliant adaptation. It allows a diverse range of animals to thrive. They avoid the direct onslaught of the desert sun. They conserve their vital water reserves. The night, therefore, becomes a bustling period. It is essential for the survival of many desert dwellers, a time of relative coolness and opportunity. Desert animals have evolved remarkable ways to manage water internally. Some can survive for long periods without drinking any water at all. They obtain the moisture they need from the food they eat. Seeds, leaves, and insects all contain some water. Specialized kidneys play a crucial role in this process. These organs are incredibly efficient at extracting water from waste products. They produce very concentrated urine. This means very little water is lost from the body. Every drop saved is a victory against the arid conditions. Another fascinating source of water is called metabolic water. This is water produced inside the animal's body. It is a byproduct of breaking down fats and carbohydrates in their food. The kangaroo rat is a master of this. It can live its entire life without drinking liquid water. It gets all the moisture it needs from dry seeds and its own metabolism. This internal water production is a lifesaver. It allows animals to persist even when external water sources are completely absent for extended periods. Many desert creatures also have physical adaptations to reduce water loss. Some have thicker skin to prevent evaporation. Others may lack sweat glands or have very few. Sweating is an effective way to cool down, but in the desert it means losing precious water. So, alternative cooling methods are preferred. For example, panting can help, but even this is carefully regulated. Some animals, like certain desert tortoises, can also store water in their bladders. They reabsorb it when needed, using their bodies like living canteens. The ability to tolerate dehydration is also a key survival trait. Camels are famous for this. They can lose a large percentage of their body water. Most other mammals would perish with such a loss. But camels can rehydrate very quickly when water becomes available. They can drink enormous amounts in a short time. This resilience to dehydration, combined with other water-saving mechanisms, makes them true desert champions. These internal water management systems showcase nature's ingenuity. They are essential for life in the driest places on Earth. Section 4. Deep anchors and swollen sanctuaries, plants' quest for water. Desert plants face the same relentless challenge as animals, finding and conserving water. Their strategies are just as ingenious, though often hidden from view. Many desert plants have extraordinary root systems. Some, like the mesquite tree, develop incredibly long taproots. These roots can grow deep into the earth. They reach down many meters to find underground water tables. These deep anchors provide a reliable, albeit distant, source of moisture. This allows the plant to survive even when the surface soil is bone dry for years. Other plants employ a different root strategy. They have shallow but very extensive root systems. These roots spread out widely, just beneath the surface of the soil. They are designed to absorb water quickly when the rare desert rains do fall. Even a light shower can be captured by this wide network. The roots act like a sponge, soaking up every available droplet before it evaporates. This rapid uptake is crucial. It allows plants to make the most of infrequent and unpredictable rainfall events. Many desert plants have also evolved to store water in their own tissues. These are known as succulents. Cacti are perhaps the most famous examples. Their fleshy stems and leaves are like living reservoirs. They absorb large quantities of water during rainy periods. They then store it for use during long droughts. The saguaro cactus, for instance, can store hundreds, even thousands of liters of water. This stored water keeps the plant alive. It allows it to continue its life processes, even when the desert around it is parched. The ability to store water means these plants often have a swollen appearance. Their stems might be thick and barrel-shaped, or their leaves plump and fleshy. This adaptation is vital for surviving the prolonged dry spells. It allows them to bloom and reproduce when conditions are favorable. These plant sanctuaries, filled with precious water, are a testament to nature's resourcefulness. They demonstrate how life can adapt to even the most extreme scarcity. They are true survivors, green islands in a sea of sand and sun. Section 5. Shields against the sun, the ingenuity of desert leaves. Beyond their roots and storage, desert plants have clever ways to protect the water they possess. Much of this involves modifications to their leaves. Leaves are typically where plants lose most of their water. This process is called transpiration. In deserts, minimizing this water loss is absolutely critical for survival. So many desert plants have very small leaves. Some, like certain types of acacia, have tiny leaflets. This reduces the surface area exposed to the sun and dry air. Less surface area means less water lost. Some desert plants take this reduction even further. Cacti, for example, often have no true leaves at all. Instead, photosynthesis, the process of making food, occurs in their green stems. The spines of a cactus are actually modified leaves. These spines serve multiple purposes. They provide shade to the stem. They also deter animals that might try to eat the plant for its stored water. This transformation of leaves into spines is a remarkable adaptation. It is a key factor in the success of cacti in arid environments. Many desert plants also have a thick, waxy coating on their leaves and stems. This coating is called a cuticle. It acts like a waterproof layer. It helps to seal in moisture and prevent it from evaporating into the dry desert air. You can often see this shiny, waxy surface on succulents. It feels smooth and slightly greasy to the touch. This simple yet effective barrier is crucial. It significantly reduces water loss. It allows the plant to retain the precious moisture it has worked so hard to collect and store. Furthermore, the tiny pores on leaves, called stomata, are also adapted. These pores are necessary for taking in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, but they are also sites of water loss. In many desert plants, these stomata are fewer in number. They may also be sunken into pits or grooves on the leaf surface. This protects them from drying winds. Cleverly, many desert plants only open their stomata at night. The cooler temperatures and higher humidity at night mean less water is lost. This is a vital adaptation to conserve every possible drop. Section 6, Echoes of Resilience, celebrating life in the arid wilderness. The desert, a land of apparent desolation, is in fact a stage for incredible life. Consider the camel, often called the ship of the desert. Its ability to endure long periods without water is legendary. Its wide feet prevent it from sinking into sand. Its long eyelashes and closable nostrils protect it from blowing sand. It can tolerate significant water loss and rehydrate rapidly. Camels store fat in their humps, not water. This fat can be metabolized for energy and water when needed. They are perfectly designed for desert travel and survival. Then there are the iconic cacti, symbols of desert endurance. The saguaro cactus stands tall, its arms reaching towards the sky. It can live for over 150 years. It provides food and shelter for many desert creatures. Its accordion-like ribs allow it to expand when it absorbs water. They contract as it uses up its stored supply. Its beautiful flowers bloom briefly, often at night. They attract bats and insects for pollination. The cactus is a living monument to the power of adaptation, a true master of water conservation. Smaller creatures also display astonishing resilience. The desert fox, or fennec fox, thrives with its oversized ears. These ears are not just for hearing acutely in the quiet desert, they also help to radiate excess body heat. This keeps the fox cool without losing precious water through sweating. It lives in burrows during the day. It hunts small rodents and insects at night. Its pale fur provides camouflage in the sandy environment. Every feature of the fennec fox is honed for life in extreme heat and aridity. The story of desert survivors is a profound one. It speaks of the tenacity of life. It highlights the incredible ways organisms can adapt to the harshest conditions. From the deepest roots of plants to the nocturnal habits of animals, from water-storing stems to super-efficient kidneys. Every adaptation is a chapter in this ongoing saga of survival. The desert is not empty. It is filled with beauty, ingenuity, and an unyielding spirit. It reminds us that life in its many forms is remarkably resilient and endlessly fascinating.